Today's film. Traffic. Tour. Kasi. Good morning. Bareface Monday pa. So, katapos ko lang maligo. Ako na maingay. Kasi, natutulog pa yung princess namin. Umalis na si daddy. Ano siya sa akin today. So, usually, what I do is, I wake up, I take a bath, and then dress up. Follow tayo for today. Para quick formal look. If you guys... Yeah, this is, I bought this from Uniqlo. SM pants. SM woman pants. Okay, so... Later na mag-evolve yung face. I just put on... a toner. The lava toner. So, here's my Hada Lava toner. After toner, I put on sunblock. Gusto ko to guys kasi ano siya, madali siyang ikuskus-kuskus sa mukha. Ang tawag lang. So, nalaglag. So, this is from Nature Republic Sunstick. Actually, ang dami kong natry na sunstick, pero ito yung pinaka-gusto ko. Mabango pa kasi siya. Actually, this one, we bought this in Japan, pero yung first ever ganito ko, I bought this in Korea. It's very nice. Pero I think dito sa Pilipinas mahal eh. That's why making tipid-tipid. Okay, so that's it for here at home. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup in the car. So, okay, there's just me to drive. Going to Makati today. This is a Monday. Oof! Wala pa pala akong accessories. So, let's put on some accessories first. Done with the watch. Done with the rings. Very basic earrings. Then last, wala ka tayo masyadong scents. So, okay. Then time check. Oops, alas 7 na. Need to drive. Okay. Down. Yes. So, L1 for the parking. So, for today's film. Hindi ko pa naayos. Pero, magtatakin tayo. Hindi. I'm wearing sleepers. Kasi, I cannot drive wearing shoes. Yeah. So I'm wearing slippers still driving. There's Cookie. Cookie. Jungkookie. Okay. Yay! That's Cookie. The remaining Cookie. Cookie, are you dirty? Oh, not so much. It's Cookie. Okay. So, ito na yung mga ating gamit. And then, dahil I just put on sunblock, I feel a little bit oily. So, para mawala yung oiliness, my favorite powder from Shiseido. Medicated powder. So, dab. Ayan. Para hindi oily. Okay, let's go now to work. Hopefully, maabutan ko yung free parking. This is my trip, Lord. So I'm actually, since we're from Paranaque, I'm going to take Skyway. Okay, so I'm going to put on some praise music first. Okay, so see you later. So praise music, or it's either praise music or BTS. Anong choice yun? Anyway. Naubo pa ako. There's someone selling kutsina. Excuse me. Okay, so later na lang kapag dumating na ako sa office. Oh, traffic ang EDSA. Oh, yeah. So traffic. Hindi pala ito EDSA. Skyway. Okay, for today, we are lucky today. Kasi umabot ako sa free parking dito sa office. So, no need to walk the lore. Kasi guys, pag di ako umabot sa parking, dun ako sa Glorieta 4 nagpa-park. Kasi sa Glorieta 4 pala, ano siya, parang fixed parking siya. 60 pesos lang. So, Makati Peeps, dun na kayo mag-park sa Glorieta 4. Mas huwag niyo ako ubusan parking. Pero kasi parang the entire Glorieta parking, basta dun ka papasok yata sa 4. Yung dun sa may parang pick up coffee. Yun, parking nun, ano siya, fix siya. Unlike dun sa, di ba, sa ibang areas dito sa Makati, parang ang mahal ng parking kasi magbayad ka ng parang for the first 3 hours, ganyan. So, yan. So, yay! Today, Monday, is a good Monday because I was able to park here in the office. So, actually, the thing is, pagdating sa office yan, I put on my shoes and then lalagay ako ng konting makeup. Kasi guys, ang hirap. Bagong gising lagi. So, I'm using this Hinunvox ko to last time para get ready na parang concealer. So, posisyon ko pag dun sa office na hindi ako naka-makeup. Bagong gising kasi. So, kaya naglalagay ako ng konting something. Pero kung tutuusin, nakita nyo naman sa mga vlogs natin, diba? Tayo laging bagong gising. Kasi yung asawa ko, parang ayaw din nila nag-makeup ako. Tapos last, ito lang, yung pa-effect na binili nabenta sa akin ni ate. Parang pang-ayos ng eyeshadow lang. Sabi ni ate, ganyanin ko daw. Guluhin ko muna yung brows ko doon sa isang brush. Pagkatapos nun, ayusin ko na siya dito sa isang brush. Ayan, ganyan. Diba? Tsaka makapal kasi yung brows natin, kaya hindi kasi ako nag-aahit din. Hindi ako nag-aahit. Nagpapashape ako dati. Kaya lang, parang sakit sa kahit hindi ko na naman carry. Kaya hinayahan ko na lang siya. Total, sabi ni Ann Curtis, gusto naman ng bushy brows. Ganyan lang. Ayos na siya konti. Oo, diba? Tapos, for the lips, I'm using, where's my favorite lip brush? Favorite lip brush? Isa nga lang lip brush mo. Ito, I like this color. This is from BYS. Ganda yung color nito eh. Mali siya sa akin. So, ganyan lang. Actually, kunti lang nalagay natin kasi kakain naman din ako pagdating sa taas. Kasi nagugutom na ako. So, ayan. Tada! That's the look. Pagdali ko lang something special. Dahil marami nang dumadaan dito sa parking lot na yan na messenger. Messenger namin sa office. So, padala ko naman sila. So, okay. So, that's it. Tsaka mag-glasses naman ako. So, hindi masyadong effect sa aking face lang. Okay. That's how I get ready usually in the office. And it's so nice because it's a Monday and I have to have a break party. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so now I'm heading upstairs for breakfast. Char, akala mo for work, for breakfast pala. 9 pa kasi pasok ko. Noong oras na ba? 8 pa lang. Okay. Come up with me. So another office tour kasi nahiya ako kay ate nung dito siya kanina. So this is my office. Let's open the windows. Okay, so that's our view. That's Ayala Ave. This is somewhere in Legazpi. That's Greenbelt area. Dun sa BART na yun. Yan. That's the view. Thank you, Lord. That's a nice office, I guess. It's very spacious. That's the final makeup look. Diba? May nagbago naman konti. Pero aray ko. So, akit muna tayo sa ibang floor para mag-time 8. I'm on the 15th. Yeah, here's the view. I like this I like this fire exit kasi yan. That's the view in our fire exit. Gundara, diba? baon for today. So for today's video, it's a hot dog and egg day. Plus Yakult. And coffee. So, and that's our today's breakfast. Okay, so come eat with me while watching K-drama. Enjoy your breakfast, guys. Check 8:30, so I need to eat now before I start the day. Okay. So to enjoy my food, guys, I need to watch K-drama. So bye later. Okay guys, time check. 1:30. So katatas lang namin mag-lunch. Sa labas, kumain kami ng world chicken. Makalimutan ko mag-video. At pagkatas namin kumain sa world chicken, bumili ako ng toys ni Sam sa SM. Here. So, yun. Okay na yun, guys. Another meeting at 2 p.m. So, matututbrush muna ako. Nice. Okay. Meeting lang. So, ayan, guys. Time check. It's almost 4 p.m. Katatas lang ng aking meeting again. And I think it's going to rain today. And I just received a good news. It's holiday on Monday. So, lagyan natin ng heart ang ating calendar. Holiday. Okay. So, that's the calendar. So, I have a procurement meeting on Thursday. Procurement meeting. So tomorrow, I don't have a meeting yet, so I can report. 2 hours na lang, uwian na. Ayun, time check. 6:10. 6:10 dito na ako sa sasakyan. Yes, time to go home to my babies. So, yan. For today, I'm tired. Sucks lang. Lamig dun sa office. Grabe kasi super makulimlim. Okay. So, I'm going home. So, guys. Oh no. It's so lakas ng rain. Mga oras na. 8:30 na grocery pala ako, guys. Nakalimutan ko mag-video. So, ito na ako. Uwi na ako sa bahay.
Hi, Mommy. It's my mommy.
It's my mommy. Go inside.
Mommy's playing.
guys, so now it's raining. The floor is wet. How are you? How is school?
She cried.
Oh,
Mommy, you have big for me.
of course!
What?
What is your request ba?
Mommy, I also cry. I also cry.
Did you cry?
No, she did. She did. Mommy, I also cry. I also cry.
Onti cry lang?
Yeah.
Yeah, you promise?
Yeah.
Okay, so what should I give you?
Toys.
Tart and... Akis muna. Mwah!